Pathway to Medicine is a structure that exists within some of our BSc programs. It's for students who want a guaranteed interview for our graduate entry medicine program, but are keeping their options open, possibly as a fifth choice in their UCAS form when they're applying for undergraduate medicine, or they know that they want to do a first degree before they apply to graduate entry medicine.
Medical biochemistry is an excellent foundation for medical studies because biochemistry has always been a fundamental subject for medicine and something that in traditional medicine courses students have often struggled quite a lot with. So you'll be really well placed to cope with those aspects of a medical course.